Welcome to Blue Hand Reviews. Today we're going to talk about and review and show you some footage of a drone. And the drone is small and it does have cam on it, as you can see. And it has a remote, and up here it holds your phone, and it has a little phone app to go with it. There'll be more footage in the video after this. So I just want to show you the box and the components inside. The other footage is outside, obviously. And it's a nice little drone. It's pretty tough. I've crashed it a few times. Not real good at flying it yet. Hopefully I'll get there. It has 2 replaceable batteries. We have those back here. And it does come with a stand, a charging stand, and it works very well. You have 2 batteries. And if you've seen any of my solar charged battery pack videos, these batteries are charged right up with those. No problem. So check those out too. And thanks for looking in and enjoying the footage. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, share it out with your friends. We're trying to grow the channel, and we sure would love your help. So enjoy the footage. Hey everybody, welcome to Blue Hand Reviews. We're out here at City Park, and we've got a new item to test, and it's a drone. Right, drone. Good look at it. Comes with the controller, of course, and you can download an app and use your phone to control it and see live video. It does have a video cam on it, as you can see, and it takes a little. Oh, also it has 2 battery chargers, USB. I generally hook it into my laptop, and charges it right up. I'm even using a solar charger to charge the batteries out in the field. So, what I can tell you about it is you need to read the booklet. You really got to read the booklet and understand. I think I had pretty good comprehension level when I read, and it was still a little complicated for me, and I'm by no means an expert yet. Not even close. Probably not even novice. But 2 things you need to do is to get the remote and the unit drone communicating, synchronized, and you need to determine what is front, what is back. From my experience so far, I'm not really seeing a heck of a lot of difference because it does rotate and the wind does blow it around just a little bit. But that's your headless function or your head function. Also, the main thing, and very, very important to be able to control this in any way, shape, or form, is to get it set as level. You gotta level it. You gotta do that every time. Otherwise, you just have no control of it whatsoever. It's a pretty nice little unit. It's small. I'll put some details in down below, and you can look at those. But let's get a little test run. Hopefully, we'll be able to capture this on video. All right, everybody. thought I'd give you a little closer view of it. Can kind of control it, hopefully. And the battery died. The only thing about that is you get about 5 to 7 minutes of flight time. And when you're learning like I am, you're going to have to charge the battery up a lot. But it's fun, and it seems to be pretty well made. It's responsive. It will go up high enough. I would recommend this as a beginning type of drone where you don't want to put a big amount of investment into it, but it does work good. It's by Syma. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's Syma or Syma, S-Y-M-A. And, you know, I would recommend this as a starter drone. You don't want to sink hundreds or even thousands of dollars into something and not have some basic skill. So, yeah, I think it's worth that. It's got replaceable blades and a little screwdriver to help you get the back cover off, and you know, it's got everything you need. But the batteries, yeah, they're small, like this, and you know, it's not going to hold a lot of charge. But it's a small drone. It would weight it down if it was any bigger or a lot bigger. It just probably wouldn't fly too well. But anyway, thanks for looking in, everybody. Support our channel. We've got other new products to bring to you. We got a solar charger roundup coming at you. If you haven't seen it, look for it. I think you'll like it. I think it'll be informative. Thanks again, everybody. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, folks.